to another video. Today I have another vegan meal plan for maximum weight loss. All of the recipes in this video are specifically designed for weight loss. They're all made from whole foods, gluten-free, sugar-free, oil-free, basically just plants. As always, all of the recipes will be linked in the description box down below. If you love these recipes and you need more to help you on your weight loss journey, be sure to check out my Lean and Clean guide linked below. Let's get cooking. For our green smoothie, we are going to need 2 cups of frozen pineapple, 2 cups of frozen mango, 1 orange that we have peeled and de-seeded, which if you don't have an orange, you can also just replace the water in this recipe with orange juice. I do that sometimes. And then we're just going to need some greens powder. You can use whatever kind you have on hand or you like, but usually I use a tablespoon of spirulina, a tablespoon of moringa, and then I will add in usually like some chlorella or barley grass juice powder. We're just going to blend this up until it's super smooth. And that is it pretty much. Smoothies are really easy to make. Sometimes I like to add a little orange slice on top just to make it look really pretty. But lately, just because it's been so hot outside, I've been loving smoothies in the morning. For the Thai crunch salad, you're gonna need 2 to 3 cups of either greens, chopped cabbage, or like a cabbage mix. I buy the organic cabbage mix from Trader Joe's. And we're just gonna pour that into a big mixing bowl and then whip up our dressing really quick. So for our dressing, we're using the juice of half a lime, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, which you could replace with PB2 if you want this to be lower in fat, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 tablespoon coconut aminos, a little bit of garlic powder, and then some sesame seeds. You just want to pour that into a bowl, give it a nice whisk, and then we're just going to dump it over our salad and let this marinate for a second. So you can top your salad with whatever you like. Usually I just eat this as it is with a bunch of vegetables for a nice light lunch. So I usually add cucumber, cilantro, edamame, and sesame seeds. But you could also add tofu or tempeh to this. I actually added some barbecue cauliflower wings that I had left over, and I will leave the link for that recipe below for you guys. They're delicious and I'm just obsessed with them right now. If you want to make this lunch even more filling, we can wrap it up in either a low-fat tortilla or a lavash wrap. And basically, you just want to pile everything inside of here. And then we can just cut it and you have a delicious barbecue chicken wrap. These baked falafels take a little bit of extra work to make, but this recipe actually makes 16 servings of them. First thing that we're gonna do is just take 2 cups of cauliflower, 1 chopped carrot, a cup of kale or spinach, and then 1 onion chopped, and just saute it until everything is nice and soft in a little bit of water. Then we're going to take our garbanzo beans that we have rinsed and drained, add them into our blender, and then add the rest of our vegetables into our blender as well, and just lightly pulse this. We don't want it to be super pureed or anything. Once that's done, we'll just set it aside and mix our dry ingredients. So we have 1 cup of chickpea flour, divided, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon garlic powder and curry powder, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and salt. We're just going to mix together our dry ingredients and then add in our water, and then slowly add in our chickpea and vegetable mix that we have from the blender. And then at the very end, we'll just add in our other half cup of chickpea flour. we want to just roll these into similar size balls, and I use a griddler, but you could also use a George Foreman. You could just pop these in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Or you could also use an air fryer. Whatever type of cooking appliance you have, just make sure that they're browned and cooked all the way through. And then I usually just like to eat these on top of a salad, and what I did here is just thinned out some hummus with a little bit of water to put on top, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave any comments in the box below, and I'll see you on the next video.